Now, description tag is also very important. Although Google says that they don't really take this into consideration in your ranking factors, but even then, because your prospects are seeing this on Google or Yahoo or Bing, it's important to have the right tag. But sometimes Google will not show description tag. They'll come up with something from the landing page itself. They'll show content from the landing page itself, but often it is from the description tag itself. So let me show you what that means. If we go back to the same page again, these are the results. So what you see in these two lines here is coming from the description tag right here. Or most of these can be from the description tag itself, which means you can actually write what you want your prospects to see. For example, this is coming from a description tag. So to get the best results from your description tag, you should write it as an ad, because ads are more enticing. You use the verbiage in a sentence that will get more prospects to your site. That'll get people clicking on your listing on search engines versus your competitors. You also want to make sure you use less than 160 characters, because if you write a very long description tag, then Google will not show it, or maybe only show half of it, and the other half will come from the page itself. So you want to make sure it stays under 160 characters. You also want to use primary keyword in your description tag. Now, don't overdo it. For example, if you want to write a description tag for mold removal services, don't write mold inspection, mold removal, mold remediation, black mold removal, we kill black mold again and again, or etc. in your description tag. Just use it once. Make it look natural. You don't want to overdo it. Anytime you overdo anything with Google, whether it's your title tag, description tag, your keyword tag, your content on the landing page, anytime you overdo or you try to game the system, it's going to backfire. So you want to make sure you only add it once, and it doesn't have to be on every single page of your website. And what I mean is you should have a description tag on every single page of your site, but you don't have to have the primary keyword on every single description tag. Every once in a while is a good thing. If you are writing description tag for your service pages, that's a good thing to have on every service page. But let's say if you're writing blog posts, you don't need to have a description tag on every single blog post you write. When you write description tag, use your city name, because what that does is it becomes like a search phrase. It becomes like your keyword. And when someone Googles the service you provide with the city name next to it, then your description tag will help you rank higher. Number one. Number two, the name of the city will be in bold. Let's see, for example, if I go here and I search for mold removal services, Marietta. It's about 20 miles from where I am, just a different city, and right here, Marietta, Georgia, mold removal. The first result has the name of the city in the title tag. Home Advisor has it right here. Hire the best mold removal services in Marietta. Mold removal companies in Marietta. Angie's List. Thumbtack. PureClean right here. Also, as you can see, it's in title tag. So they're using it in description and title tag both. Now, if I'm living in Marietta and I'm looking for a mold removal company, I may not add the city name. But what if I live 20 miles away and I have a rental in Marietta? I have an apartment or a house that's out for rent, or if I'm looking to buy one. There's so many reasons that people search for services in nearby cities. They may not be living there, but they do add the name of the city. So you want to make sure that every now and then you use the city name or different cities around your office where you provide services. One page may have one city name, another page may have a different city name. and so on. Because this is going to help you when people search and they see your listing on search engines, they will see the city name, the search phrase that they look for, which is going to help you get more business. You should also use call to action in your description. So for example, if you offer basement waterproofing services, then you can end the sentence by book an appointment now or schedule an appointment now. If you are a water damage restoration company, then you can say call now for free estimate. Maybe something else that you offer. Maybe you have a video on your landing page that shows how to clean tiles. So you can say watch now and learn how to clean tiles and so forth. So with call to action, when people read the description tag of your listing, if you have a call to action at the end, they may follow that call to action. In other words, they may do exactly what you ask them to do, which will get you more clicks than your competitors, which is again another reason that will help your site rank high.